guys, it's our day 1 here in London. And for our first itinerary, pupunta tayo sa Buckingham Palace, no? Yung weather, it's 8 degrees pero feels like 4 degrees according dun sa Apple weather. So right now, naglalakad kami papunta sa pinakamalapit na tube or what they call the subway, no? And then from there, magti-train tayo papuntang Green Park. Doon tayo mag-alight and we're gonna go to Buckingham Palace. So guys, ito yung surroundings na dito sa Euston, Central London. So we're staying at St. Aidan's Hotel and it's located in Euston, Central London, sa Camden area. So Camden is one of the popular places here. We chose this location kasi primarily malapit siya sa St. Pancras International Station. So yung train coming from Gatwick Airport, hihinto yun doon sa St. Pancras kung saan malapit yung aming hotel, which is the St. Aidan's Hotel. So ito guys yung ating station, the Russell Square Station. And pag nakita nyo yung underground na symbol na yan na may red, that's the symbol of their subway.
Malinis yung ano nila ng sa Paris, sa New York.
Correct.
Mas maintain nila. So ano tuloy ka pa makuha? No? Pa-spirals.
So guys, similar sa Russia, meron din sila ganitong klase na pababa ng mga escalator na mahaba going to the subway station. So guys, so Buckingham Palace. So nandito na tayo guys sa Green Park. So this is the appearance of Green Park, and Buckingham Palace is I think 7 minutes going there. I went yeah, parang Central Park. So ito yung mga tao naglalakad sa side na to. So I'm very sure na papunta sila sa Buckingham Palace. Meron ding changing of guards, so hopefully maabutan natin. So guys, balik kami. So dapat na sa other side ang Buckingham Palace. So guys, ito yung way papunta sa Buckingham Palace. In fact, nakikita na namin sa side na to, no? So very historic tong place na to because of a lot of royal events that took place na televised sa buong mundo. Mga coronation and of course mga so, daming tao guys, pero of course kailangan natin ng souvenir shot picture sa gate ng Buckingham Palace. Hindi man tayo makapasok, at least meron makita natin in person and at the same time makapag-picture tayo. So guys, now seeing the Buckingham Palace gate and but it says Canada. Bakit kaya? So papasok tayo. Yung pinaka-gate. So guys, ganito kadami dito sa tapat ng Buckingham Palace. Tapos na yung changing of guards, so hindi natin inabot. So kung magpapapicture kayo dito for souvenir shots, itong monument na ito is just in front of the Buckingham Palace and its gate. Kaso sobrang daming tao, so ang hirap kumuha ng perfect spot, so agahan nyo na lang pumunta dito.
Bleiben da jetzt so stehen. Wird ziemlich lange. Deren Aufgabe ist einfach nur dekorativ darzustellen. Ah, guck mal, da ist noch einer, ne? Und die marschieren hier. weil es ist deren Aufgabe.
So guys, galing sa Buckingham Palace, what we did is naglakad tayo dito sa Green Park just to explore, no? And it's very nice walking here kahit malamig yung weather. And then we found this memorial gates, no? I think bago lang to. I'm not sure kung bagong linis, but basically it's telling us that in memory of the 5 million volunteers from the Indian subcontinent, Africa, and the Caribbean who fought with Britain in the 2 world wars. So ito yung mga countries from 1939 to 1945 campaigns. They have France, Belgium, Italy, Greece, North. Okay guys, so ngayon naglalakad tayo dito sa Green Park and inahanap natin yung station na sinakyan natin kanina. So hopefully marating na natin. Medyo malaki na malayo-layo yung lalakarin. And this park actually reminds us of the Central Park of New York, no? So very vast. May mga squirrel din and maraming pigeon. Yun yung actually makikita yung mga birds dito, no? So pero yung mga puno, as you can see, walang mga leaves right now because obviously it's winter. Tayo na squirrel. So guys, mabasa tayo dun sa Green Park. I want to show lang tong red bus na sikat and iconic dito sa London. Hopefully masakyan natin yan in one of these days.
We can get a bottle of water on the way there.
Sasantay natin guys ang kanilang bus. Sa mga bus, it gives you a chance to really see the local scene of every country you visit. So madali lang naman yung pag-sakay at pag-navigate mo, no? Sakay, check mo lang dun sa city mapper na app and then may bus number. So make sure lang doon ka sasakay sa tamang bus number. Sa tapat ng bus naman, makikita mo yung number. And then ayun na, sakay ka na. You can use your credit card. So, itatap mo. So, ganun lang ginawa namin. So, papasok tayo ngayon sa Harrods. So, guys, luxury mall tong Harrods, no? So guys, lumabas tayo dun sa Harrods Mall. Ito. Kasi parang hirap mag-video. Lahat busy. It's a very busy mall. It's a luxury mall actually. Maganda yung sa loob. May section para sa mga luxury accessories, bags, and the chocolates as well. No? So pwedeng yung bisitahin. Okay? You just need to be mindful sa budget nyo. So, taming lunch. Medyo matagal lang. But, this is the English food, no? So, ano nga to sa akin? Chicken breast. Yes, chicken breast. Soup of the day. Fish and chips. guys, we're going to the British Museum naman. So guys, yung sarcophagus from Egypt. And some of the statues came from Egypt as well. Yan, cover yun ng sarcophagus. Cover daw yun ng isang sarcophagus ng isang high priest. Mga columns coming from So guys, tapos na tayo sa British Museum. Okay. So 5:30 ang closing niya. So yung ibang mga section closed na. So pinapalabas na nila. But again, it's for free. Kaya kung pupunta kayo dito, must visit yan dito sa London. Bili kami guys itong caramelized roasted peanuts and almonds. 5 and 6 pounds. 6 pounds kapag almond. Tama ba?
Pure almond.
Pure almond. Yeah. Yan, sa harap yan. Actually makikita nyo marami yan dito sa London. Mga street food. Silang Chinatown dito. And guess what ano oras na? It's just 5:20 PM. Madilim na. We bought some paintings here, and this is where we bought it. It's actually near the Russell Square station, no? Or no, Green Park station rather. So ito lang Green Park near the Buckingham Palace. And now we're going to the Hyde Park for the Christmas Winter Wonderland. So guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa Hyde Park. So during Christmas, may mga Christmas bazaar here. And one of it is Winter Wonderland. So titingnan natin kung walang bayad, free to enter, and we're gonna explore more of Hyde Park. So guys, this is the Winter Wonderland here in Hyde Park. Unfortunately, meron siyang Bayad, I believe so, no? So you can have to scan here to book your tickets online. Hey guys, we decided not to enter na kasi the ticket is 7 pounds at hindi naman kami nag-rides, no? So lipat na lang kami ng place sa pupuntahan namin. So guys, dito kayo bumili sa Tesco. Just in front of the Russell Square Station. And yung mga for our dinner, kasi pagod na kami, babalik na kami sa hotel, and dito na yung binili. So umabot lang to ng 13 pound. Okay. So yeah, papahinga na kami because it's a night and marami pa kayo pupuntahan tomorrow.